Maintaining weight loss. Advantages of keeping weight loss even as shedding weight is difficult for many folks. It is even more challenging to maintain the load off. Most folks who lose a huge amount of weight have regained it 2 to 3 years later. One thought about regaining lost weight is that folks who curb the amount of energy they consume to drop extra pounds expertise a drop in the expense their bodies burn energy. This makes it increasingly problematic to drop pounds over a period of months. A fee of burning energy may additionally make it easier to regain weight after a more natural weight reduction plan is resumed. For these causes, extremely low-calorie diets and fast weight reduction are discouraged. Losing not more than half to 2 pounds per week is recommended. Incorporating lengthy time period way of life alterations are needed to increase the threat of positive lengthy-term weight loss. Weight loss to a healthful weight for an individual's height can promote well-being advantages. These comprise reduced cholesterol and blood sugar phases, diminished blood strain, much less stress on bones and joints, and less work for the heart. It is crucial to hold weight reduction to receive health benefits over a lifetime. Keeping additional weight off takes effort and dedication, simply as reducing weight does. Weight reduction goals are reached by a combo of changes in weight loss plan, eating habits, and endeavor. In extreme situations, people turn to bariatric surgery. Weight loss renovation approaches the techniques that encourage weight reduction also play a foremost position in protection. Aid techniques used easily for the period of weight loss can make a contribution to weight upkeep. Consistent with the country-wide Weight Manage Registry, 55% of registry members used some style of application to reap their weight loss. Physical exercise performs a central and essential position in retaining weight reduction. Studies show that even pastime that's not rigorous, comparable to running and utilizing stairs, has an optimistic result. Pastime that uses 1,500 to 2,000 calories per week is endorsed for preserving weight reduction. Adults will have to attempt to get as a minimum 40 minutes of average to full of life stage physical pastime as a minimum 3 to 4 times per week. Food plan and undertaking are valuable systems for losing and retaining weight. 94% of the registrants within the National Weight Control Registry accelerated their bodily pastime. Once the favored weight has been reached, the gradual addition of about 200 energy of healthy, low-fat meals to day-to-day intake may be tried for 1 week to peer if weight reduction continues. If weight loss does continue, additional calories of healthy foods may be brought to the daily weight reduction plan except the right balance of energy to maintain the desired weight has been decided. It'll make an effort and record retaining to assess how adjusting food consumption and pastime stages affect weight. A nutritionist can aid with this. Carrying on with to use behavioral strategies is indispensable to retaining weight. Be conscious of eating as a response to stress. Also, use recreation, pastime, or meditation to manage alternatively of eating. A transitorily return to ancient habits does now not mean failure. Paying attention to dietary alternatives and undertaking can help hold weight reduction. Selecting instances comparable to poor moods and interpersonal difficulties, and using substitute methods of dealing with such situations alternatively than consuming can prevent returning to old habits. Weight biking. Weight cycling is dropping and regaining weight multiple instances. Some reports advise that weight cycling, often known as yo-yo weight loss plan, may just outcomes in some well-being dangers. These incorporate excessive blood stress, gallbladder disorder, and excessive LD cholesterol. Nevertheless, these stories are not real for each person. The fine approach is to preclude weight biking and to maintain healthy weight by way of a dedication to accelerated physical undertaking and healthy consuming. One myth about weight biking is that a person who loses and regains weight could have extra crisis dropping pounds once more and keeping it compared to a person who has now not long passed via a weight loss cycle. Most stories show that weight cycling does not impact the fee at which the body burns gas. Also, a prior weight cycle does no longer impact the capability to reduce weight again. In addition, weight cycling does not broaden the quantity of fats tissue or increase fat distribution around the belly.